Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Frank's Scones, using only 4 ingredients, and you aren't going to believe what they are. We cook them in a muffin pan, and don't grease the muffin pan. Frank assures me that they aren't going to stick. And we're going to preheat our oven to 160 degrees Celsius, and this is all you have to do. There's no rolling out or anything like that. We have got 3 cups of self-raising flour, to which we add 1 heaped tablespoon of baking powder. We sift that into a bowl, make a well in the center, and add our liquid ingredients, which are 1 cup of cream and 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Mix it together quickly with a knife, get rid of any lumps, make a well in the center. So in with our cream now. Now this will make a raggedy sort of shaggy mix. A whole can of sweetened condensed milk, which incidentally is about a cup, about 400 grams, and just mix it all together with a knife. Don't over mix it, you don't want to work the gluten in the flour, but you do want to make sure there's no little pockets of flour. No sugar is added, no lemonade. Just mix it till it comes together. Okay, so far I've been mixing for about 2 minutes. I'm just using the spatula to get all of the dry mix away from the bottom of the bowl, and you can see it's really very sticky, but it has mixed in very easily as well. Now this recipe will make 2 dozen, and what I'm going to do with the balance is I'm going to try it in the pie maker to see how they come out with the balance of the mixture. I do have 2 tins, but I want to try something different. Okay, now Frank says just to fill the patty pans to just below the surface of the patty pan, and it will rise to above it. So I'm just going to use a ice cream scoop, and he says to cook it for 15 minutes in a 160 degree oven. Take them out, test them with a knife, and if the knife comes out clean, they are done. If it doesn't, you can put them in for another minute or so, but be careful because of the sugar content in the condensed milk, it will want to burn, so just be aware of that. Okay, that's it, into the oven we go. Okay, now this is quite a stiff yet very sticky mix, what's left over, and we're going to divide it into 4 and put it into our pie maker, which I've only just turned on. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it's not been greased. There's no rolling or kneading or resting with this, and Frank assures me it won't stick. Just close the lid, but don't clip it shut in case it needs to rise a little bit. After 10 minutes, our pie maker ones are risen, brown all over. I'll just stick the knife in the center and it comes out very clean. I can't leave these in here, they will continue to cook, so I'm just going to remove them, and they come straight out. Turn the pie maker off. The ones in the oven have been in there for 15 minutes and they're still quite blonde and they're not cooked yet, so I'm leaving them for another couple of minutes. Okay, after 17 minutes, these are still quite blonde. They feel like they're not cooked to me. I will just put, yeah, I think they need another couple of minutes. I don't think they're quite done, but they're looking quite delicious. They actually pretty well kept their shape in the oven. Okay, these actually took 20 minutes in the oven and they have come out nice and brown. They feel quite light. The ones that came out of the pie maker, you can hear they sound hollow. Now, the deal is that you leave these sit in here for about 5 minutes and then they will remove easily and they won't be stuck at all. But I'm a bit impatient for all of that, so what I'm going to do is just break open one of these ones out of the pie maker. They're very scony inside, they're nice and light. Pop a bit of butter on that. Frank has his with jam and cream. But we'll just see how this is. Richo's the scone expert. I'll see what he has to say about it.
Oh yeah, good.
Thanks, Frank. Okay, now I'm just going to use a little spatula to get under these. And Frank's right, you don't need to grease them at all. You don't need to flour the pan, and they come out beautifully. Nice and golden all over. They smell great and they've got a really nice taste. The flavour of the condensed milk is not too sweet and they're really delicious. And look how sweet they are. And so easy to make. A couple of minutes of mixing, a couple of minutes of cooking, and you've got a really fast and simple morning or afternoon tea. Richo's already gone off to work with his batch for morning tea. Look at that. It's quite possibly the easiest scone mixture I have ever made. Thank you very much, Frank. I really appreciate this recipe. I'm certain our viewers will enjoy it as well. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, or perhaps have one of your recipes featured on our channel, simply leave a message in the comments below and we'll see what we can do for you. And we'll certainly give you the credit, won't we, Frank? Thanks for watching. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking scones using Frank's recipe. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. You can just eat them really light with a good crumb and a delightful flavour. They're delicious with just butter on them, but Frank says it needs jam and cream. Thanks Frank, thanks for watching.